In this video, I am going to try something different. I'm going to take a picture that I found and try to point out some of the problems with it, as well as the fact that while reading one of the comments, I found one that said, "You are probably never going to have a problem with this," and I tend to agree. But here goes. Now, the first problem that I found with this is the standpipe, which is the pipe that goes from the left side of the trap up to the top where the hose for the wash machine will insert into, the drainage hose. And the next thing that I noticed was that they notched this framing stud a little too far. And then they didn't use a sanitary tee for the connection between the trap and the drain. And the next one on my list, even though this is not a building code issue, especially if you use a ground fault interrupter or GFCI, and I understand this is a remodel, why move it? But I like to have the electrical plug higher than any of the drain line and not near the water supply lines either. Within reason, of course. I understand that you're not going to be able to move it 5 feet away because you're still going to need to plug your washer and dryer in. And the last thing I want to point out is that a wash machine drain cannot share a wet vent with any bathroom group item. Keep in mind that the building code allows you to wet vent a bathroom group and not add a kitchen sink or a washing machine drain line to that. And the reason for that makes a lot of sense. You're going to have a lot of water coming out of the wash machine drain at a rapid rate, and it can actually siphon the water out of the bathroom sink trap. So this is actually a building code that makes sense to me. And joining two different pipes together with glue might be frowned upon by your local building department. However, you would have to check with them to verify, along with everything else I mentioned in the video. And as a bonus tip, don't forget to read the product manufacturer's manual, just in case there are some discrepancies. And I'm not about to suggest that you redo your plumbing, but you should be aware that your warranty could be voided if the instructions in the washing machine manual are not met. And you call out their repair person, only to find out that your warranty is no longer good. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.